Carmen Villegas La Rosa, 20 Moreno! At the grade 0 Torres, 23 Basileng Norte! There's no way. So you read the Bible, but it's not cussed, 'cause I was your brother. It's a pity, 'cause putting your bitch up a solid up in the summer. Sofia Belganzon Ragasa, 22 Basileng Sur! Stephanie Ursula, 23 from Lechon! Jovi Wizan Lagargay Tos, 20 San Felipe Central! Geraldine Alibun, 24 San Felipe!
Hindi yung kagal ng iba na pinapansin. Huwag kang sakay.
Aguilar Basa, 20 San Pablo! Jaya Crista Castro, 18 Santa Catalina!
Okay, number 8.
Yanit de Costas Villanueva, 20 Santa Maria Norte! Christine Masana, 22 Santiago! There's no way! No way! There's no way! You must have breathed, baby, and all the time I've been by your side. I've never lost control, no matter how many times I've given you the melody of life. 21 San Pino. Chanel Gloria Nobleza, 22 Sumapit.
Ito sumabit.
I didn't say a word.
Wala pa sa stop. Asang sangit.
With your
Bakit yung sayangit ka? Tarantado ka.
Sabi sa'yo. Ano na, dito na.
Hi, Lamig. Tingko, Padilla Tipo, 19
Kalasi, dyan kalasi.
Rubia Nochina, 19 Vacante.
Once again, Vinalona, let's put our hands together for our 24 gorgeous candidates vying for the most coveted title and with this year's Miss Vinalona 2025. Pwede po bang marinig ang isang masigabong palakpakan? Alright. Well, nararamdaman ko po dito on stage ang tension, but I know that our candidates are doing their best. Pero no, bago tayo magpatuloy, as I mentioned earlier, last year po ay nandito din po ako sa stage na to, and this is actually my second time here in Binalonan. Meron lang akong gustong itry, no, at i-confirm kung tama ba, at kailangan ko po ng inyong participation ng lahat ng nandito ngayon.